I'm going to show you how to increase the depth of the mount boards. These, for example, are 2 mount boards with increased depth. This is the mount board for which we want to increase the depth. First of all, you have to obtain some strips of polystyrene, such as the foam board provided by Rinaldin. The foam board, which is 3 or 5 mm thick, can be used. Normal carton used for mount board can also be used instead of the foam board. Leftover clippings are perfect for this. 2 cartons can be joined together with some double-sided adhesive if the thickness isn't sufficient. I start with the application of the self-adhesive tape on the border of the strip. As you can see, I have put the double-sided adhesive tape on only a small part of the strip, as I'll have to remove it later on. I then apply the strip to the mount board. The back of the mount board now looks like this. I now do the same procedure on the second side of the mount board. As before, I apply the tape to the border of the strip. I then cut the edge to 45 degrees so that it will fit perfectly to the first strip in the corner. I apply the strip to the mount board. The back of the mount board now looks like this. You can see that the cut on the edge of the strip has to be slightly inclined in respect to the joining strip. I now apply the third strip with the same procedure as before. We can see again what the back of the mount board looks like. At this point, I have to remove the first strip temporarily to apply the fourth strip. I now apply the tape to the strip for the last time. The back now looks like this. I pick the first strip, which I had temporarily removed from the mount board, up again and make a cut on the edge. I finally apply the strip to the mount board. I now have to cut off the excess which goes beyond the mount board. At the end of the process, the mount board will look like this. It's best if the width of the strips is more or less the same as the width of the mount board. If the strips are smaller than the mount board, there might be some difficulties when fixing the mount board with nails to the frame. I'm going to show you another way to apply the strips to the mount board. I start by preparing the 4 strips. I then cut an edge of the strip at 45 degrees, helping myself with a geometric ruler. In fact, you can see that the angle is slightly off 45 degrees. This is done to help the corners fit better. I make a mark with a pencil on the point where the edge has to be cut. After the cut, I check to see that it's okay. I then apply the strip to the mountboard. I repeat the same process with the other sides. This is the final result. Rinaldin provides these self-adhesive tapes for these types of processes. You'll find the self-adhesive tapes in the catalogue of Rinaldin and on the website www.rinaldin.com.